The drone ascends, revealing the majestic Süleymaniye Mosque crowning Istanbul's third hill at dawn. Words materialize on the screen. Süleymaniye Mosque, Istanbul's Ottoman crown. A drone ascends, offering a sweeping vista of the mosque's grand exterior, its lens capturing the magnificent dome, minarets that kiss the sky, and the exquisite limestone. As the lens lingers, historical words materialize. Designed by Mimar Sinan, completed in 1557. The ablution fountain stands central in Istanbul's largest courtyard. The colonnaded peristyle surrounds the courtyard, displaying architectural grandeur. The külliye sprawls majestically, a testament to self-sufficiency, its madrasa, hospital, and soup kitchen interwoven in a tapestry of purpose. The külliye, a self-sufficient complex the text proclaims, underscoring the ambition and scope of this integrated community. The prayer hall unfolds, revealing a serene space designed for 50 worshippers. The dome's interior is adorned with intricate calligraphic inscriptions illuminated by the soft glow of low-hanging chandeliers. On-screen text declares, "Calligraphy by Hassan Telebi." The mihrab, meticulously carved from white marble, points towards Mecca. The minbar stands with elegance, echoing the mihrab, a royal space of wooden craftsmanship, adorned with mother-of-pearl, stands as a testament to regal privacy. On screen, the words Sultan's Log, royal seclusion appear. The madrasa stands as a center of Islamic scholarship. Text appears on the screen. Madrasas, centers of Islamic learning. Sunlight streams through star-shaped skylights into the bathhouse. The words, bathhouse, still operational appear on the screen. The Arasta, now filled with artisan shops, bustles with life under the open sky. On-screen text appears. Arasta, artisan market. The grand tomb of Suleiman the Magnificent rises, a testament to Ottoman glory. The on-screen text appears, Suleiman the Magnificent, buried in 1566. The tomb of Hurrem Sultan stands majestically, its Iznik-tiles shimmering under the sun. Text appears, Hurrem Sultan, Suleiman's wife. Inside the serene prayer hall, worshippers bow in devotion. On-screen text appears, a functioning mosque to this day. Tourists gather, cameras clicking, immortalizing the mosque's intricate details. The mosque stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. An architectural diagram unfolds, revealing Sinan's ingenious foundation design. On screen, the words Sinan's seismic resilience materialize, highlighting the structure's strength. A grand mosque rises against the skyline, its scaffolding a testament to ambition and the Ottoman Golden Age. Workers swarm, their period attire marking an era of unprecedented ambition. The scene captures the vibrant energy and the colossal scale of the Ottoman Golden Age. The drone soars across the Istanbul skyline. Two ancient giants face each other. On-screen text appears, rivaling the Hagia Sophia. A vibrant tapestry of red and green carpet dominates the view, its intricate patterns a stark contrast to the pale walls. The words acoustic perfection materialize, hanging in the air. The mosque stands as a spiritual hub during Ramadan. The mosque integrates into Istanbul's topography. The mosque stands majestically, restored to its original splendor. As the sun sets, the mosque stands tall, a beacon of Ottoman faith. Under the radiant sun, people converge at the mosque's majestic entrance. The ancient stone walls display intricate carvings, highlighted by the sun. Words materialize across the screen. Explore Istanbul's sacred legacy.